pole molding solution tailored for you. From concept to mass production, we build to your unique needs. Your product needs are our design blueprint. We provide one-on-one engineering support to optimize every detail. We recommend the most cost-effective materials based on your output and product requirements, balancing the cost and longevity. Our flexible manufacturing system handles multiple complete orders simultaneously, meeting your urgent deadlines. No standard answers, only optimal solutions. We customize tooling and machine for your specific pole receipt to ensure perfect forming. You envision it, we engineer it. This is the result of our custom partnership. We are not just a die maker, but your trust partner in pole molding. Wherever you are, whatever you need, we are ready to support you. Let's start the conversation with us.